Good afternoon to all. First of all, our educational minister sir and my salutations and greetings to all elders who graced on this stage. My name is K. Kusuma. I am coming from ZPH School, Peddadimli, Bamin Mandal. I selected for Shining Star Awards in category CWNS. Thank you for choosing me, sir. I got 435 marks out of 500 in SSC board exams. Today, providing rewards to students who excelled on the SSC board exams. It is a very special program to us. This will not only encourage many people like me, but also give a hope to future generations. In previous time, there is no recognition of Divyanga people, but our educational minister and collector sir give 3 Shining Stars awards to Divyanga people. I feel so happy to that, sir. Thank you so much. I am study from 1st class to 5th class in MPP school Peddadimli and 6th class to 10th class ZPH school Peddadimli. I am not able to walk like normal children. My parents and friends helped me to go to school. They are very hard work for me. I never forget their services in my life. My classmates also helped me too a lot. While I am going to eat midday meal, studying and others, so I never forget their help. Our school staff also encouraged me a lot. Especially my social teacher motivated me a lot. I never forget his services. In my childhood time, I could not walk at all. At that time, the wheelchairs, capillaries and physiotherapy services provided by Samagra Shiksha were very useful in my life. I want to become a software engineer in the future. My mother and father worked as a wage laborers. So I study well and get software job and good take care of my grandparents, mother and father, and I will help children like me. I would like to thank you to all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Nimma, no questions? Amma nanu vachara?
Vachar sir.
Ekkada nunchomanandi. Talli namaskaram amma. Now we are really proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Endukante it is not easy.